Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, after Chelsea reaching the UEFA Conference League final, our Enzo Maresca, my Enzo Maresca, the Enzo Maresca every Chelsea fan love and cherish, the tactician, the best coach, the Enzo Maresca who humble and is Lord, said this to Chelsea fans. They asked Enzo Maresca a lot of questions, ladies and gentlemen. And Enzo Maresca said this to Chelsea fans. First, they asked him about Chelsea reaching the final and Chelsea playing against Real Betis, what it means. And also our young talented, yes, Rigo Walsh, 16 years. If Yamal is doing it at 17 years, what showed that Rigo Walsh cannot do it at 16 years? Eden Hazard regime. They asked Enzo Maresca about these players. And now Chelsea winning games recently. What does it mean approaching this Newcastle game? And also, they asked Enzo Maresca about our midfield. Looking at this, our midfield, can they compete for the league title next season? These are the questions they asked Enzo Maresca about. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at them one after the other and do the analysis together. So, please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to do what? Hit the like button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm and hit the subscription button. Let's start with the first question. Yes, what does it mean Chelsea reaching the final? They asked Enzo Maresca. By the way, guys, let's read from Enzo Maresca's own words before we come and do the analysis together. Yes, interact with Enzo Maresca's words. Enzo Maresca on what it means reaching the final. Personally, it is very important because we can give the chance to this club and these fans to be the first club in Europe to win 3 competitions. The Conference League is a starting point to build winning mentality to try and win more titles in the future. So guys, this is the words from Enzo Maresca. Important, yes, for Chelsea to win this trophy, to give Chelsea the chance winning all the 3 European competitions, Conference League, Europa League, and the Champions League. And also giving Chelsea the winning mentality to try and win more titles in the future. That is good. This should be the mentality of every Chelsea manager. Yes, winning, 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 winning. No. When you come to Chelsea, you must win. Oh. Chelsea started with winning because since Abramovich bought Chelsea 2003 up to 2021, Chelsea is the only club to have the highest trophy in England. The most successful club in the past 19 years under Abramovich regime. So it means that this team is built on winning. It means that this team tradition, the culture in Chelsea is what? Winning. So as a manager, when you come to Chelsea, your aim, your mentality, everything about you should be winning, heading towards winning. That is the problem Chelsea fans we are having with this owners. Yes, they came try to send that tradition away, throw that culture away, winning, and we said no, Todd Bowley, you bought Chelsea as a big entity, you bought Chelsea as a winning team, so you must continue like that. Chelsea cannot be Brighton, Chelsea cannot be Nottingham Forest, no, Chelsea cannot be like Arsenal, no, Chelsea cannot be like Manchester United. Chelsea can only be Chelsea. Chelsea can only be Chelsea. So as a manager, win titles so that the players have the winning mentality. You as a manager, you also have the winning mentality. So guys, let's hope when Chelsea win this Conference League, it will give Enzo Maresca the winning mentality. It will show Enzo Maresca the way. Yes, it will tell Enzo Maresca how it is sweet to win, how it is good to be a winner. We the fans, we have been supporting Chelsea since Abramovich time up to now. So we the fans, we know how it is suitable and palatable to be a winner. Chelsea fans, all the 2 Champions Leagues, all the Premier Leagues, yes, all the European trophies we won as fans, for us, we know how it is sweet to be a winner. But you see this, our young players currently, Enzo Maresca, they are not winners. How many of them won major trophies? Yes, apart from Reece James and Jorgensen, his time at Sevilla, he won Europa League. So a few players from this our squad ever won a major trophy. So they don't know how it feels to be a winner. And for Enzo Maresca, they will not talk. No CV. Yes, He's lucky he came to Chelsea. We'll give him CV. Yes, Chelsea will give managers and players careers and give them good CV to end their what? Their journey. Thiago Silva, upon his excellent defending, perfect defending, Chelsea, he came and met his dreams, won the Champions League. I'm telling you, it takes a lot of players. It takes some certain team 115 charges before they won their first Champions League. And Chelsea, when you come to Chelsea, we are giving it to you for free. For free, I'm telling you. Sorry, in his coaching career, he never won a trophy. But when he joined Chelsea as a manager, came to Chelsea as a manager, Chelsea will let him win his first trophy as a manager. Yes, Mauricio Sarri, or what is his name? Sarri Ball or Soro Ball. I hope you can remember. Yes, we went ahead and let him win the Europa League and beaten the European trophy. So Chelsea will give players and managers career. Yes, so guys, this should be the mentality of every Chelsea manager. Winning mentality and Chelsea players. So when they ask Enzo Maresca what it means Chelsea reaching the final, this is the answer from Enzo Maresca, guys. The first question Enzo Maresca answered. And let's look at the second question Enzo Maresca answered about, yes, meeting Betis in the final. This is it, guys. Enzo Maresca on facing Betis in the final. As an ex-Sevilla player, we have 20 days to prepare for the final. I am happy to face Betis. I played 4 years for Sevilla. That is a big derby against Betis. We won one of them 1-0 and I score, so I know they don't like me. Enzo Maresca answer for meeting Betis in the final. Him, Enzo Maresca, as a manager, he ever play for Sevilla, and yes, they ever play against Sevilla as a derby game. He score, they beat them. So Betis, they knew him very well. They don't like him. Yes, he is an old enemy, yes, to them, Real Betis. And this answer, Enzo Maresca is trying to tell us that he is a winner. Yes, since he was a baller, since he was a footballer playing for Sevilla, he ever beat Real Betis. So beating Betis is not a new thing to him. Beating Betis has ever happened in his life as a player, so he can do it as a manager also. That is what Enzo Maresca is trying to tell us, guys, Chelsea fans, that he is a winner in Spain. He is a winner against Real Betis. So for that matter, he can win against them as a manager also. And let's hope, because that is what we want. Being as a manager, beating them, and being as a player, ever beat them. That is what we want. And yes, Spain teams, especially against England teams, it is only Chelsea we are beating them. It's Chelsea only beating them. When it comes to Spanish teams meeting English teams in final, they always make it cumbersome and difficult for England teams. Yes, since 2021, yes, I think it took 19 years or 20 years for English team to beat Spain team in European final. It took us 19 to 20 years for us to break that record since 2021. Apart from that year, English team never beat Spain team in European final until Chelsea beat Villarreal. Until Chelsea beat Villarreal. Yes, if you can remember our Super Cup. Yes, it even took us extra time and penalties for us to beat Villarreal. So when we come to Spanish team, they are good. They know football. They understand football. I respect them. For Manchester United and Arsenal, they beat them. They have been given to them Woto. Barcelona beating Manchester United in Champions League final here and there. Yes, Arsenal the same thing here and there. It is only Chelsea we are making it difficult, yes, against Spanish teams. We are beating them, winning, yes, trophies, semi-final. We are beating them. We are beating Real Madrid. We are beating Barcelona. We are beating everybody. We are beating Sevilla. We are beating Villarreal. So here my hope is that the records we have against them, that is the only hope I have. But when it comes to records, when you look at the past 20 years, yes, to 19 years, they are the major winners. Yes, they have more wins when it comes to European finals. This Conference League, we must win it, oh guys. I'm telling you. See, that is not our level. I keep on saying it. I am not praying that in the history of Chelsea, we should go and play this Conference League again. Look at all the teams that we met on the way. We could not even mention their names. From playoff, play against Servette to the final. For me, I don't think I mentioned any team name right. I won't lie because I don't know them. I don't my respect to them. Panathinaikos, save it. We and who? No. I can't. So in the history of Chelsea fans, we don't want to be here again. And for me, I'm hoping and praying that one of our brothers go there in the future. Yes, we shall see. Because we are winning games there, people think it is easy competition. When it comes to European competition, not easy until they are giving someone a red card for you to score. Yes, by 11 v 11, it is difficult. It is so for me. I'm hoping that in the future, one of our brothers go and play conference. You will see, guys. They will lose games there. Just so we are playing well, beating them as if look is a conference league, is easy, is a small league, is not a major league. There's no. Just so we are good too. We are good. I'm telling you. So, guys. That is the answer from Enzo Maresca. He ever beat Betis as a player, and he believed that he can beat them as a manager. We are wishing Enzo Maresca all the best. Chelsea win the Conference League, for Chelsea to set the records, winning all the 3 major European trophies. And let's look at the third question they asked Enzo Maresca, guys. Enzo Maresca said Chelsea cannot dwell on the wins they threw away earlier in the Premier League season and must now embrace their 3 finals to get into the Champions League, starting with Newcastle away. Yes, that Chelsea cannot rely or dwell on the past loss against Brentford, draw. Yes, we drew against Ipswich, we drew in the second leg. That Chelsea cannot be looking at those games, yes, and not embrace the recent wins against Everton, Fulham, yes, Liverpool, and now reaching the Conference League final. Chelsea must look up to these games, the winnable games, yes, to motivate the players to prepare for themselves for the remaining finals. Newcastle, Manchester United, and Nottingham Forest. And that is good. The past is the past. The past is gone. Nobody can bring the past back. But the future, you can modify it. You can shape the future. So let's look forward to the future. Let's concentrate on the future. The remaining games are called finals. Just playing the remaining games, ladies and gentlemen, is final. This is our life. Just making top 4 now rely on these 3 games. Nottingham Forest, Newcastle, and Manchester United. And Sunday against Newcastle away. So Enzo Maresca said the players should embrace on the recent wins to prepare them well for the remaining games. And that is true. That is true. Yes. We have to take positivity from the winning games, the games that we won, and send it to St. James Park and beat Newcastle. If we beat Newcastle, we are good to go. The top 4 is done and dusted. And any team can even get top second. Second on the league table. Arsenal, 3 points, yes, above Manchester City. And Chelsea look like 5 points. So, Arsenal next game against Liverpool. I think they are to play against Liverpool and Manchester United and Newcastle. So Arsenal still have tough games on their way. And their recent loss in the Champions League, it can demotivate them, demoralize them not to play, not to perform. Recently, Bournemouth beat them. Arsenal, when you look at their past 3 or 4 games, they won only once. Yes, against Ipswich Town. So Arsenal recently in the Premier League, they are not doing well. We have the same wins as Arsenal, 18-18. So Chelsea can even make top second. So these remaining games are crucial, important for Chelsea, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I'm telling you, we must prepare. This is a final. We should forget about the Ipswich Town, the Brentford, and what happened. Yes, as a fan, it still pains. I wanted Chelsea to win them. But as I said, it has gone, past and gone. We can't bring it back. So now let's concentrate on the future. So the Newcastle game is important. And the preview is coming, guys, on this channel. So please turn on the notification bell. When that video comes, you'll be the first person to see it. Yes. So, guys, this is the third question Enzo Maresca answered. Yes, about Chelsea concentrating on the recent wins and don't, yes, rely on the past losses, the 3 points. Yes, the points that we lost, yes, are the past. Yes, and that is a good answer from Enzo Maresca. And also, Enzo Maresca answered about our young talented player, yes, Wash. And this is what Enzo Maresca talked about Wash, guys. Maresca on Ricky Wash. I like Ricky. I love Ricky, as he fit my system so perfectly. He is only 16, but he is asking for the ball. He's so good on the ball. He has to continue staying. Go to school, that is important, but he is a good player. Rigo Walsh. In fact, this guy, he just earned every Chelsea fan heart. Currently, he is Chelsea fans' favorite. 16 years already. 16 years. His movement on the ball, him asking for the ball, as Enzo Maresca said, him dribbling, trying to move forward with the ball, his confidence on the ball, his belief, his hope, it doesn't look like a teenager. This is child abuse, Chelsea. This is child abuse on the part of Rigo Walsh. The guy is fantastic. When given the chance, I am seeing Eden Hazard. I am seeing Iron Robin. I'm telling you, as I said, his dribbling, his mentality, let's go and score, let's go and attack, let's create chances. Like, this is how a Chelsea player should be. So Rigo Walsh, in fact, he earned every Chelsea fan love. Yes, he earned our heart. Just 16. And as I said, if Yamal is doing it at 17, why should that Ricky cannot do it at 16? We are not like our brothers there. 20 years, 22, they are still giving them excuses. No. Ricky is coming back as George is doing it recently. Scoring goals for fun, creating chances, playing good football. Yes. So, guys, when you look at our academy guys play yesterday, Antoine and co, all the guys at Champion and co, they are showing potentials. Yes, they have the potential. They are future players, prospect. And also, they asked Enzo Maresca about our midfield, as you are watching on the screen. Can these our midfielders compete for the league title next season? And Enzo Maresca said, yes, of course, as you are watching on the screen, guys. Yes, and it's true. For this our midfield, I will not say anything again. Yes, we are good to go. I can't compare this our midfield to any midfield in the Premier League. Team midfield in the Premier League. Be it Manchester City, Liverpool, Manchester. Like, you can't compare. Even Real Madrid, Tchouaméni and Bellingham and co, they are not better than this our midfield. Caicedo, Lavia and co. No, Enzo Fernandez and co. Santos will be coming, and Sugo will be coming. This our midfield is a rock, unbreakable. Nobody can. It's like a stone. Nobody can. Hard. Ladies and gentlemen, Chelsea will have a future. Let's hope our owners listen. If Chelsea qualify the top 4, they go and bring us, yes, the experienced one or two experienced players. We don't even need a lot of experienced players. So at least 3. The defense, the midfield, and the striking. We are good to go. Look at all the teams playing the Champions League this season. Look at them. Inter Milan, full of, not even, for Inter Milan, they will not talk about experience. We will talk about our grandfathers, old ages. Yes, look at them, experience. They beat the young, their grandchildren, Barcelona. Barcelona scored so many goals, but unfortunately, they use the experience, yes, and bypass them. Yes, look at PSG, Marquinhos and co, Donnarumma and co. They are using the experience saving them. Hakimi and co. They are using the experience saving them. So, whilst you have Doe and co, Bakola and co doing the dribblings and co, you also need those experience around them. Yes, so Chelsea, we need experience. Let's hope our owners now listen, understand football, and go and bring us Osimhen, Victor Gyökeres, Isak all the way, and maybe Magay in the defense, or Bastoni. Yes, other center backs who are good. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all what Enzo Maresca. Let me hear from you. And there's another video on this channel I gave you yesterday about our yesterday game. Here's the video. Please click to enjoy them, and please turn on the notification bell. The preview is coming. Newcastle Chelsea, important game. Final. That video is coming. And as I said, we started something on this channel. During the preview, you will give your score prediction. After the game, the review, I will mention your name and mention your prediction to see whether you were trying to, yes, give it to investors to invest well, to invest good. Yes, in other words, to see whether you get the prediction right or wrong. Yes, it's just a game, yes, a game that we are going to introduce, play on this channel. So, when that preview can, please leave your score prediction under the comment section. After the game, I will come here with your name and your score prediction on the screen and mention your name to see whether you get it right or wrong. Take care. Peace.